Children, there are various types of school in the world. If three major developments which should take place in a child, I believe in this school time of yours, one is academics, which is prime. And believe me, in academics, whether you're here or in some other school, it cannot be 100% different. Cannot be. It may be 10, 20, 25% maximum difference. I can assure you that. Second is your behavior, your culture. Nobody can give like mommy, daddy. They correct us what is right, what is wrong. No, don't speak loudly, don't answer back, be friendly, mix with everyone, socialize, comfortable, make everyone comfortable, study hard, respect. So all this, nobody can teach us what mommy, daddy can teach us. But the third thing, children, which 90% of schools don't have, is your self-confidence, your communication skills, your leadership development. It is going to carry you at least 10-fold high than ordinary studies alone. Ordinary studies are very, very important because you are getting to good college. Once you get there, future life, you have to be leader. You have to be different from what's a leader, you stand out. Leader, all stand here, you step forward, that's a leader. And you have hundreds of people behind you. And what is a leadership requires? Courage, self-confidence, communication skills, be able to talk without fear. This is the platform which JRS gives children. Every week, your comments we have been through here, the script is occupied every 4 times a week is occupied. On Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So 4 times a week it's occupied by the CP, by IT will be coming here and they will be speaking. So I would like everyone not to be afraid because this is just a beginning platform for you all. When I was very young children, I was very scared to speak. My brother told me once, let us go to some outing, and he took me to YMCA club. And I was sitting there, he said, just we'll go after, I have to talk to someone. And always sitting like that, and the YMCA they have a method where you take, they have still, they give the boxes. Topics are there, and then some names will be get from someone. And those people have come on the stage and start speaking. I was getting bored. I said, why you brought me here? Let's go. But my full of a brother, he gave my name off. So suddenly they announced that Ganesh Sharma, please come and pick up a step. I said, I'm not going. I'm not going. They said, no, you have to come, please come. Please come, don't worry, everyone's clapping there. And they had this sports consistent of all these people are crooks. They clap and make you feel that you're good and very important, and they push you somehow on the stage. So James is very scared. So I remember the person who sat next to me, he said, I'll stand next to you, don't worry, I'll not move from here. And you pick up a step and speak anything. What do you speak? You get a clap. Nobody will boo you, nobody will put you down. After that time, I don't know what to speak. I was very young, like you. School going. And anyway, I took a thing, I told something, I don't remember what I said. I don't remember because half of them were shivering. I said, when half thing, when can this get over? When can I go sit back there? And all that took place and finished. Anyway, everyone clapped, I was very happy. After some time, my brother's small card he gave me, he said, after 3 weeks or so, he said, you are the main speaker for 15 minutes. I said, keep quiet, I'm not speak to life. Why are you putting me all this nonsense? Main speaker, 15 minutes! 2 minutes was difficult for me to stand and speak. He said, don't worry, you got 2-3 weeks to prepare. I said, I worked for 2-3 years. Not 2-3 weeks. But children, he pushed me. And right from college, I won huge debate prizes. I've been very confident. In fact, let me tell you, I'm from a business family. Like you, many of your parents are. And all my brothers are doing business, wholesale business and various things. I like the cap, so I applied for Air Force interview for officer's post at the age of 22. And I tell you children, this Toastmasters Club, I think it made a great difference to me. Because when we were asked to speak, group discussions, interviews, narrate something, at young age of 21, I was extremely confident, and I could see all the others who had come and they were blabbering, they couldn't speak well, or they were scared, and you could see the fear. Out of 85 people who went for 5 days and stayed away for selection board, I was the only one who was selected in that batch. So I owe it to communication skills. Leadership, biggest thing comes to communication. You're very fortunate, you children, at this young age you getting to get this platform. Wonderful platform. All of you can look at your seniors. You see, Nasiman, he is marvelous. He is something fabulous. You see, Agriculture Conference is so good. I want you to please, this doesn't come just like that. They have been going on the stage. They also have the same fears. They were also not very strong. When you come on the stage, if you're calm and quiet, you can play with the words. You can modulate your voice. You can go rapidly and speak something. You go extremely slow and play. Such a beautiful voice control and attracting this crowd which is with you, and they should get attracted. That's a leader. This is the biggest benefit you're going to get from this school, believe me. And those children who opt for it, who take it willingly, don't get worried if you forget. Don't get worried if you blabber. Don't get worried if you stammer. Don't worry. This is the platform. You're just learning. You're learning. And this is how you learn. But coming forward, it's such a big, for me, a big success for you. And everyone should encourage every person who comes on stage with a huge clap. And please see that, don't talk about yourself and make him feel, he feels very scared. When he sees others not listening, he feels that could be his speech is not good. Could be I'm not successful. Or could be I'm very boring. So he gets demoralized. So please, I request everyone here, please take this platform seriously. Let's make this life skill program, every week it will be there. It will be a huge success for IT and IB2. And I'm sure more than 10, 15 children will come in each time. So within about 6 weeks, everyone should be here. So let's have the program and hand it back over to these two wonderful girls who have taken notice of leading this debate and product launch, I suppose. So God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting me.
Scott Dalston, co-founder of Behance, it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. Respected CEO sir, teachers, judges, and our innovative participants. Welcome to the 2015-16 product launch. Basically, product launch is the event where businesses introduce their new product or products to the target market in order to convince and promote them to buy it. So today, each and everyone who participated is a scientist, businessman, entrepreneur, and most importantly, an innovative leader. And that is what makes JRS better than the others.
So for now to begin, let me start by thanking the jury, Mr. Raghavan, the admin official, Mr. Seal, the IG coordinator, and Mrs. Anita, the HOD of Commerce Department for their presence. For today's product launch, we have 6 teams outstanding their products. The 6 teams consist of 3 teams from IG AS levels, 2 teams from IG A levels, and 1 team from IBDP. So sit back, enjoy the show, and don't forget to buy these products.
Now I request the judges to take their seats.